What's up, everybody? My name is Alexi. I'm the creator of Hooey Doodles, and I do Procreate tutorials. And today we're going to be talking about how to access and use quick menus within Procreate. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the toolbar here in the top left, and you're going to go to Preferences and Gesture Controls. Here on the left, you're going to find Quick Menu, and then choose whichever of these work for you. I have tapped the square, then press Done. So we're back here on our canvas, and I have it set up so I click this little square with my finger, and it's going to come up with my quick menu. In order to change these, you can just tap and hold with your finger, and you have a plethora of choices. These are brushes. You can just go back, and you have brush sets, go back again, and then you have all of these options here. You have another number of options under adjustments. You can have more than one menu by clicking the middle and clicking this plus button. You can start a quick menu too, and then just create these as you see fit. So that's it for quick menus. It's super easy and it can be a time saver. Anyway, leave a comment if you have any questions. I answer all of them on my videos, and like and subscribe if you like what I'm doing here. Look out for more Procreate tips coming out in the future. All right,